After opening new Canva project, drop your image. Let's adjust the size. Go to elements and type gradient graphics. Choose this one. Let's place it in the top like this. And go to text. Type your text. Let's change the font to Anton. You can use any font you want. Adjust the size. Let's place it in the top. Go to text color and scroll down to gradients. Let's choose this style. Go to this plus button and let's add more white color. Make 5 and delete this gray color. Choose the second style. Click on the first one and decrease the transparency to 0. Make the same for the second one. Click on this one in the middle and decrease to 50. And final step, click on the image, duplicate, align it, and remove the background. And here's the final results. I hope you like this tutorial. Subscribe to the channel to learn more about Canva.